Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm in the town of Newark. This is Newark-on-Trent in Nottinghamshire, and I've just come for a wander around with the OM-5, the OM system camera that I've got. I've got a 12 to 100 lens on, so the equivalent in full frame terms for this lens is you just double it, so it's a 24 to 200 lens. Now I'm not used to doing street photography with this type of lens, or even this camera come to that too much. I thought I'll just come in here first of all and take the first shot here. I was hoping that there'd be some people the other side. Let's have a look. Oh, there is. Let's see if we can get a shot through these. Okay, let's have a wander through the town and see what we can find. Okay, let's just get one of this road sweeper here. Just adjust my settings slightly and get fairly close, and I'm happy with the outcome of that one to start with. So it's quite quiet at the moment. It's 11:15 on a Friday. I don't feel quite so discreet with this camera, to be perfectly honest. So, and this lens. So I could just see somebody standing in the doorway there. I just want to get her. Quite happy with that. We'll just get this person across the road, looking at the phone as usual. Get these people inside this cafe here. Just got that one on the move, but I'm happy with that. Okay, I just want to get these people back at that cafe behind me. So I'm just going to quickly spin round and get that one. That's okay. Just got him in the corner there. I love gaps like this. Just get somebody walking past. Yeah, happy with that one. Some sort of water pump over here. I think I'll just go and get a photo of it. This will go well in black and white, being a white background and a black pump. Happy with that. Look at this couple just behind me, I think. Just spotted them, so let's just turn around here. I think I can get it from here. Yeah, not too bad. Pity about the pole, but that's okay. Let's get somebody coming through that archway. Do a look up shot here and zoom right in. Church. I'm going to try and get this. It's a really light background with that 100% cloud. I think I'm just going to put that into a silhouette. Now we've got a chap with a hat. I don't really like it from this angle. Let's just go round a bit. See if I can get his face. I'll try and do it from here. Oh, that's better. You can see the character that way. Much better. I'll get this woman on the phone. Everybody's on their phone. Just got that one while walking. Hopefully that's come out. go along here a bit. Oh, there's a chap here to my right. Another chap with a hat. Let's get him. Oop, I think he spotted me, but that's okay. There's a chap over there. On his phone, of course, leaning against the wall. I'm just going to go and get a shot from this angle. That's okay. I'm just going to get another look up shot here of the top of the church spire. I just think it looks good with that very light background. Another chap with a hat coming through this archway. See if I can get him. Yeah, that's okay. Happy with that. Oh, a chap with a dog. I just want him to turn this way. See if I can get his face a bit better. And the dog. Ah, that's it. He's moved. Good. Got that one. Now we're going to try a bit of a leading line here. There's a couple just crossing the road, so I'm going to just bend down here by this line and see if I can get that leading to the couple. Yeah, not too bad. They're a bit further away. I could have perhaps zoomed in a bit more. Ah, we've got a museum over here and there's a cannon outside. Let's see what sort of shots I can get here. I'm going to try and use the fence, I think, as framing. Yeah, we'll just do this one first with this fence coming through the photo. I'm still happy with that one, that's still good, but I'm just going to try and frame it on each side and get the front of the cannon. Here we go. So we've got a bar each side. Happy with that one. Let's just get these weapons, either spears or axes, in the background. And again, I'm using the fence as a frame either side. Let's just get the zoom right here. So I've got a bar each side. Oh, right, I'm just going to try and look up. I can see the chimney and the fence, and I'm going to see if I can just get everything that's pointing up to that moody sky. Just a bit of a trial shot, really. Oh, now people are going to think I'm mad. I love taking photos like this through this rubbish bin. I'm going to try and use this as a frame. Yep, that's okay. Look at this bike on the right. I wonder what sort of shot I can get with that. I prefer it if it's got a sign saying no bikes. But anyway, this'll do. Let's just have a look what I can do here. Yeah, that'll do. Right. Here we go. Bit of artistic work now. I'm just going to get this sort of handrail as a shot. That's okay. But let's just get one with it leading up to the doors. Bit of a leading line sort of thing. That's okay. Pity there weren't somebody coming out of the doors, but you know, it's really quiet here today. That was a bit of a hip shot, that one. Young couple sitting outside. Just doing another look up here because I like the top of this theatre. Again, I love the colours, the dark and the light. Same with this old lamp that we've got here. Just a nice contrast between that white sky. Alright, leading lines. I've got a postman trolley or something up here. Let's first of all get one through this arch. I'm just going to wait for this lady to come past. And she stopped for me. Thank you very much. I need you. That's it. Oh, we've got a couple of posties by this post trolley now. I'm just going to bend down and just take one going back. There we go. I think they spotted me there, but that's okay. Happy with that. Another one through this very small road. Let's wait for this lady. That'll do. We've got the two postmen up there. Again, look, I've got the top of that church spire coming through the trees. So I'm going to use the trees as a bit of a frame, and again that lovely white cloud, so you don't have to have sunny days. It's turning out to be a bit of a silhouette day today. Now this shop, look at the old building here with all the beams. Let's just get these people just coming past to get a bit of a flavour of it. But I am going to zoom in on those balls of wall. We'll put it in portrait so we can get all the colours, and we'll have that one in colour. Happy with that one. Another man with a hat. Just got to do it. Now I like the idea of this crane and the white background. Let's see what we can do here. Just adjust my settings. I'm taking advantage of this sort of 100% cloud cover. Happy with that. Looks good. Again, see that sort of dome with a spire? I'm just going to get that, and again it's against that white background, so I'm really happy with that. Look at that red post box over there. I'm going to try and use these two posts as a bit of a frame. Let's just zoom in a bit. There we go, that should do. Okay, this drainage grill, I'm going to use this as a leading line. Again, that person's a fair way away, but that's okay. I'm just going to bend down here. There we go. Yeah, happy with that. Nice leading line up to that person. I'm going to get this chap across the road. I think this is going to have to be a bit of a hip shot here. Let's just see if we can get it just as I walk past, because I'm going to get quite close. There we go, that'll do. He didn't see me, he's on his phone. Now, just going into this churchyard. I want somebody to walk across between those trees. Let's just wait a while. There's one or two people here. Got to be patient. You've got a shot in mind and not many people around. Just going to pull this out so I can actually see a bit better. Just have it at a slight angle. Here comes a person. Just got to wait for the right moment to zoom in a bit. There we go. Got to walk in between those trees. Okay, we're going to get a bit of a close-up here. I like these flowers, plants, whatever they are. I don't even know the name of them, but they look nice. So I'm going to get really close. Perhaps keep this one in colour. There we go. Happy with that. Okay, chap on a phone. Just got to do this one quickly. Nobody sees you. They're all on their phone. Okay, we'll just get this doorway and this woman walking past. There we go. Another archway here. Let's see what we can do here. Get this lady. There we go. I like the sign, the old. Everybody seems to be old, including me. Okay, we've got this statue here. It's not sure what the name of it, but it's got a drummer on there. Let's see if we can get a close up. Just zoom in a bit. Let's see, happy with that. Very nice. Now just walking past, I've got this castle wall and some people, and I've used the bushes as a frame here. Let's get this boat coming past. This is the River Trent. Yeah, like that one. I'm going to try and get one inside. You can see the people there and the name of it, Newark Crusader. Now this is sad. This is the sign of the times. Just people not taking their rubbish home with them. Let's get a shot of it. There we go. It's a shame people just can't take things home with them. Let's just get one going across this bridge. Could have done with somebody walking across, but there's not many people around here. I don't know about street photography, but I am walking the streets. Just a bit of a shot across the river there. Now this is the dry dock, so I'm going to be a bit artistic here. I'm going to try and get the gate grid and then the boat in focus in the dry dock. Oh, let's get one along here. Let's get low. Let's get the path. That's nice. And I can see a swan coming past, so shall we get a swan? Go, here he comes. No, didn't like that one. I'm just going to wait for it to come a little bit closer. Here we go. That's nice. Got that one. Anyway, I really enjoyed using this camera for a change, doing street photography. If you liked the video, please give me the thumbs up because it does help the channel, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing and clicking that notification bell, and I look forward to seeing you on my next trip out. And here's 2 or 3 of my favourite photos from the day.